Hello, good morning. My name is Justine Sodi and I'm a German teacher since 4 years now. So when we talk about German, like why do people learn German? We have various reasons for it. The first reason could be hobby. People learn it as a hobby that they want to speak with, they want to conversate with the native people. So they learn these specific languages. Could be Italian, French, German. We are just talking about German here, yeah. So second reason could be employment reason. People need these German skills for employment reason. For example, if they're working with a German firm or a firm which is collaborated with Germans, so they need German skills in order to communicate with the professionals or the natives or so. Third reason is when people wish to move to a German-speaking country in Europe or any country what is German-speaking, they need these German skills in order to communicate, and also their university asks for these levels. As in, we want you to complete till B2 level and then have the university admission. So university ask or the job profile ask people to have some specific levels. So that is the reason why people do these kind of levels from private institute or tutors or Max Muller Bhavan or whatever. They learn German and just score that level. Fine. So these are the reasons why do people learn German. Now we'll move over to our demo class. I will like show you how I teach and everything. Let me just share my screen. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a small topic, a very small topic, which is personal pronoun. What in German we call Personalpronomen. Personalpronomen are basically the subjects. Subject in a sentence as in I am doing a work, I am driving the car, she is coming, we all are doing homework, she is cooking, they are cooking, children are playing outside. So these are our personal pronouns: I, you, she, they, we, like that. So what are these personal pronouns in German? Let's have a look. I have written all the personal pronouns here. So German language is very similar to our Hindi language. Unlike English and like in Hindi, we have few similarities in German. Like, for example, if I say I have to address somebody in Hindi, I would say like I have to address one person. So I would say तू कैसा है या फिर आप कैसे हो. Correct? I would address him or her formally या फिर informally. Again, तुम लोग कैसे हो या फिर आप लोग कैसे हो. Same way in German also I address them formally या फिर informally. And in English we do it like how are you, for formal also and for informal also. But in German we have formal and informal separate things. Let's study that. Ich is pretty easy. I, that is मैं. Du is you, that is for singular and informal. What in Hindi we call tu. Tu kaisa hai? So for singular person and informal. Erezi is always the third person. He, it, she. He, it, she. Wir is we, that is hum. Here again comes you all, that is for plural. So du was for singular and informal. Here is plural and informal. What we call tum log. Tum log. Okay. So now we have studied if we have to address somebody informally, we either call it as du if person is singular, and if people are in like in plural, more than one, we call it as ihr if we have to address them informally. What if we have to address them formally? We use this capital SZ for that. So this capital SZ could be a, और आप लोग. So it could be you or you all. It could be singular, it could be plural, but it always has to be formal. Okay, so it always has to be formal. Capital S Z is always formal. So now when I say capital S Z, that means if this Z will come in the beginning of the sentence or in the middle or at the end of the sentence, this has to be capital only. Fine. We are left with this Z. This Z means they, or what in Hindi we called वो लोग. So वो लोग कल नहीं आए. They didn't came yesterday. So that is Z. So as you can have a look here, we have three Z's. Z1, Z2, Z3. But we have different meanings for that. Z1 is she. She didn't came yesterday. Z2 is they. They didn't came yesterday. And third Z, capital S Z, is always used for formal, which is aap log. Okay. Now I'll say few sentences and I will tell you, like in these sentences, what personal pronoun will be used. I am playing. Ish. तू खेल रहा है. You are playing. Do. He is playing. It is playing. She is playing. We all are playing. तुम लोग खेल रहे हो. You all are playing. तुम लोग, informal. Iha. They are playing. Z. You are playing, as in आप खेल रहे हो या फिर आप लोग खेल रहे हो. Always formal, capital S Z. So that was a small demo of how I teach, what are the instruments that I use. I hope you liked it, and that is all. Thank you so much.